getting the suns. Look at you, princess. Hey? Oh, you got a line in you. Wave it over a little bit. Just a little bit. There you go. Oh, you are so pretty. Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a vlog for you. It's nice and early in the morning. It's about 8:20. Oh, that feels so good. You may have seen in my last vlog at the end, I was saying I had a bit of a cough and I actually got so sick. I had the worst flu I've had in, I can't even remember. I had a fever for 24 hours. Still gotta edit that last vlog. It's taking me a while to get over being so sick. I swear it's like so bad when you're an adult and you fall apart when you get sick. It's so annoying. Okay, so I'm just on my way to my acupuncture appointment now, so I'll see you probably when I'm finished. Okay, so I just had my acupuncture appointment. That was actually my third appointment. Feeling pretty good about that. I'm just like, I wonder if I have like a mark here because she put one in my pituitary gland. Hopefully I don't. I kind of do. I'm gonna head to the supermarket to pick up some things. I think I want to make a shepherd's pie or cottage pie or whatever it's called for dinner tonight. I forgot to take my bag into the supermarket. I'll do a little grocery haul, I guess. It's not exciting at all. So I just got some beef mince to make my cottage pie. Got this slow cook beef and red wine to have tomorrow night. Some sweet potatoes. I got a parsnip. I got some mushrooms to go with that, capsicum, baby spinach to have with some smoothies, pumpkin, zucchini, broccoli. I got some Brazil nuts because I heard that they actually make progesterone higher, so I just thought I'd try it. You're not meant to have more than 3 a day. They're all damn expensive. This many was $6. And in this little bag I've got some asparagus and broccolini as well. I actually got these glasses the other day from Glasses USA and I wanted to try them on for the first time and show you. So today's video is sponsored by Glasses USA. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video and I'm so excited about these new glasses. So let's try them on and show you what they look like. Okay, so I have 2 boxes here. I'm really actually so excited about this. Oh, Coco, she wants in on it. Now the fun thing about Glasses USA, obviously it's an online store, so you can't try on the glasses, which makes it a bit hard. However, they have this really cool tool on their website where you can take a photo of yourself and then you choose the glasses and it tries them on for you. It was a lifesaver. It was so great. I was trying on all of the glasses just online and I was just taking screenshots of the ones that I liked and then that helped me narrow down to the ones that I picked I thought that was really cool. So I have 4 pairs of glasses and 2 pairs of sunglasses to try on for you. I don't know which one is which. I'm gonna have them all linked down below in order. So this is the first pair. Now, as you can see, they're a beautiful like rose quartz kind of color. They're so beautiful. Oh my God, I'm like so nervous to try them on. Okay, I've got a mirror here so I can see. I really like them. You know why I like the fact that they do like a little bit of a cat eye up here. I think that looks so cute and classy. Okay, so here are the first pair. I really like these. These are gorgeous. They're just something just that don't take away too much from other makeup on your face. I don't know, they just look nice and neutral and I love that about them. If you didn't know, I actually do wear prescription glasses. I need them to see when I'm like driving or long distance kind of thing. I don't wear them as often as I should, but with these new glasses, I think I'll be wearing them a lot more. Okay, so here is number 2. So these are a black pair and they're kind of like a round lens. I don't know if these ones are gonna suit me, but I did try them on and see, they looked okay. Oh, I like these. I actually I didn't think that I'd be able to pull these off, but I really like them. I think that they're really nice. For me, I need to be able to see like my brows above it. That's really important because otherwise, I don't know, they just look funny. And I don't think that the frames are like too thick. I think that they're a good size. Number 3, now these ones, my friend Anna has a pair kind of like these and they look so good on her and I'm like, I want a pair, but I don't know if they're gonna look good on me. So let's see. Now these are beautiful like rose gold glasses, very thin frames, and the arms are like very flexible. It doesn't even look like I have anything on. Like, I love these. These are so cute. Oh my God, I love them. Absolutely love them. I didn't think that I would like these on me, but like they're just so soft and delicate and gorgeous. I am a big fan. I really like them. They definitely feel like a statement piece, but I like that the frame isn't too thick, like they're easy to see out of, if that makes sense. My last pair of glasses. Now these are a maroon kind of color. I wanted to go for like a bit of a different color, so I chose these ones. This style I was tossing up because this one looked the best on me when I tried them on virtually, but I ended up choosing this color. I kind of wanted them in black, but I do have a pair that are quite similar already in black, so let's try these ones. Yeah, these ones are me. Like, these ones just fit me really well. Like they look nice. They suit my face. You can see my brow, like they look good. Yeah, I really like these ones. These ones are so cute. The sunglasses, so the first pair are these ones. So they're kind of like a round shape with a bit of a cat eye, and they've got like a metal arm here. They're tortoiseshell. So let's try these on. I really like the cat eye kind of look, and I think that the metal arm like really adds such a point of difference to the sunglasses rather than just, you know, a normal arm. They are very brown to see out of though, just keep that in mind. Now my next one, these ones are Prada glasses and I'm so excited for them. They are again tortoise shell and they're brown. These look so good. Yeah, these are nice. I love the bit of like gold detail around the edges there. Love these. These just look so classy and clean and crisp. Oh, perfect. Let me know down below which one were your favorite. I think I'm gonna have to say for a point of difference, these ones. Yeah, I love these ones. I think that they're so pretty. Thank you so much Glasses USA for my new glasses and for sponsoring this video. If you are interested in any of these styles, I'll have them linked down below in order and along with their names, and go and try some on online. It was so easy. I just took a photo of like a selfie on my phone and then I could try on glasses virtually. Like, it was great. I could shop at home. so good. So we'll have a discount code linked down below if you wanted to go and check them out as well. Okay, so it's now 3:11. I need to do some more editing and then I'll make some dinner, but I'll show you like chopping everything up. How's your day?
Oh yeah, not too bad. How's your day?
Just been picking some weeds, have you?
Yeah, got a couple out. So.
Cookie. She looks so funny outside. Adventure cat. She's going for it. Stop. Guys, just so you know, this parsnip cost me $1.83. It's a big parsnip, but I didn't think that parsnips were that expensive. What did you just do?
Oh, what do you mean?
What did you just do to Coco? Show us what you've done.
You wrapped her up.
You just wrapped her up? You wrapped her up? Why'd you do that?
I don't know. She looked cold.
The tail in? You didn't do a very good job. You need to wrap her fully up.
Nah, she was sweet.
Hey, you're just living the life, aren't you? In the mink. Okay, so we have dinner on the go. So I just made the mince portion, which you would have seen just before. Now we're gonna make the mashed potato. So I'm gonna mix in sweet potato with normal potato. Potatoes, and here is the big dish. Hopefully that's the right one for this amount. I put in some peas, parsnip, carrot, onion, along with the mince, and then, yeah. If you want a recipe, this here is the original recipe, but I added in parsnip, peas, and then pepper and salt as well. And there she is. She is piping hot. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat this. Okay, so that dinner was delicious. It was so good. It was so yummy. So we've got plenty of leftovers. I've just finished editing a vlog for tomorrow, which I feel good to get back into the rhythm of things. Like for so long with going through what I've been through, like I haven't felt like filming or editing. And yeah, these days where I feel like this are just so few and far between, like it's just so annoying. But I've had a really, really good day. And I just remember that I'm wearing these lashes. These are the jade lashes from Quartz Beauty, and like I can't even feel them on. Like I totally just forgot that I had them on, but I need to remember to take them off before I go to take my makeup off. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.